Here's powerful evidence that rebounding boosts circulation, cleanses your lymphatic system and strengthens your joints. It's a total body reset from the inside out. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated workouts you can do at home, rebounding. That's right, bouncing on a mini trampoline isn't just fun, it's a game changer for your health, mobility and mood. I walk you through the key benefits, how to get started safely, what to avoid, and why this might just become your favorite daily habit. Let's get into it. Your body is made to move, to bounce, flex and flow. Rebounding creates a gravitational rhythm that stimulates your entire system. That includes your lymph nodes, joints, muscles and bones. If you feel stiff, tired or sore, or if high-impact exercises like running are hard on your joints, this might be your golden ticket to feeling great again. Even NASA has studied rebounding. They discovered it's an ideal way to rebuild bone and muscle, especially in astronauts exposed to zero gravity. Now that's impressive. One of the biggest benefits of rebounding, it activates your lymphatic system. Here's what that means. Your lymphatic system is so important. It helps remove toxins, waste and old cells from your body. But unlike your blood, it has no pump. It relies on movement and nothing moves it better than bouncing. Every bounce helps flush out toxins, boost immune function and reduce swelling or fluid buildup. This alone can transform how you feel. Just 10 to 15 minutes of rebounding can boost circulation and heart health, strengthen joints and bones with low impact, improve your posture and core strength, increase balance and coordination, burn fat and rev up your metabolism, relieve stress and elevate your mood. It also reduces your fear of falling and helps improve your gait, especially as you age. So start slow, just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle bouncing. Your feet don't even need to leave the mat. It's about rhythm, not height. Keep a support bar if needed, especially if you're older or just getting started. Safety first. And check your posture. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, core engaged. Avoid leaning forward or arching your back. Bouncing barefoot for better foot strength, or wear grip socks or flexible shoes. And stay hydrated. Rebounding stimulates your detox system and water helps it work better. Breathe deeply, in through your nose, out through your mouth. And don't jump too high, especially at first. You'll risk injury or strain. Don't bounce on your toes only. Use a full foot or heel toe motion to protect your calves and knees. And don't slouch. Poor form can lead to pain. Last but not least, avoid cheap rebounders. Look for a quality spring or bungees and good shock absorption. So gentle bouncing every day 5 to 10 minutes is great for energy, a lymph flow and recovery. And stronger workouts like 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. It's perfect for cardio, fat burn and strength. Always listen to your body. This is about healing, not pushing through pain. Rebounding is joyful. It lifts your mood, supports your body and fits easily into your routine. Put your rebounder somewhere visible, in the living room, bedroom or office. Use it while watching TV or listening to music. You don't need an hour. Just a few minutes a day can create real change. Your joints will thank you, your posture will improve, you feel lighter, stronger and yes, even happier. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more at-home fitness tips, mobility hacks and healing routines. Have you tried rebounding yet? Let me know in the comment how it's working for you. And check the description for my favorite rebounders and beginner-friendly programs. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay consistent and keep bouncing.